Okay, I installed a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. It's underneath the heater. Since heat rises, it shouldn't affect it. I hooked up to a 30 amp circuit breaker. This is for the inverter. That's for the inverter negative. So we put it online. And we're reading 13.2, which should coincide with what the Victron products are displaying. Batteries are 90%, and it should coincide here with this is a 13.1, 13.2. I think it's close enough. All right, did some progress off camera. I hooked up the pure sine wave to a 30 amp fuse, positive and negative, black and red. Hooked up a power strip. It's gonna run this heater and the compressor on the other side of this wall, and plus the heaters inside the water bay, so I can eliminate all these extension cords everywhere. And that'll run whether or not we have shore power, generator power, or run off the batteries. Okay, the system right now is at 99%. There's no AC power. DC is 21 watts being used from the batteries. It's at 13.2 minus 1.6 amps. That's what just whatever it's drawing off the motorhome as we sit. So let's see what happens when we turn on the inverter, then the power strip. .2, it's showing 13.3. Let's turn on the power strip. Now we're cooking. That's on. That's on. This hasn't updated yet. Okay, and go to the smart shut. I don't see any noticeable difference. The amps are climbing up a little bit. The volts are the same. Watts are the same. I'm consuming 4 amp hours. So the way we sit right now, with the 4 batteries hooked up, I have 2 Lions and I have 2 lead acid batteries. I could run this setup without any power input for 5 days and 11 hours. So I think that's pretty good. We'll keep an eye on it, see what happens, make sure it's generating heat. That's on, that's on. Power strip is on. Smart plug is on. Thermostat is on. Everything is on. Okay, I'll check back later. Okay, it took a little while to catch up. But as you can see, it's still at 99%, 13.1. But the current jumped up to 2.6. Now it's down to 160. I guess the thermostat just kicked off. 21 watts, drawing 4.1 amp hours. And the days dropped down, the time remaining dropped down to 4 days and 21 hours. So it's doing something. And it is producing heat. No overloads, everybody's happy. We'll keep monitoring it. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm using the onboard sine wave inverter here to run the heater. To shrink the rack. This thing is still pumping. Still putting out heat. It's been 4 hours now. So we're gonna keep an eye on it, let it run a little longer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification icon for the latest videos as they are released. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.